Hello, today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 4, page number 18, and today's topic is Wildlife in Danger. This is actually a comprehension. I discussed a lot about comprehension. There I told first time you should finish the reading, then after reading you will get some question and try to answer this later. So let's do first work first time, that is we have to read the extract properly at first. Wildlife in danger. It is a disturbing fact that today many different kinds of wild animals throughout the world are in danger of extinction. The reasons for this are many and varied, but we must largely blame pollution, pesticides, the disturbance of the animals' natural environment, and man's greed and thoughtlessness. Industry has grown enormously, and it has become common practice for factories to dispose of waste matter in streams and rivers, causing great loss of river life. Modern agricultural methods include the use of pesticides, which effectively control insects classified as pests, but which also destroy many that are not. An increase in population has meant more building, and with it the destruction of much of the countryside that provides habitat for wild animals. To satisfy man's selfish desire, the polar bear in North America is under threat, hunted by sportsmen in Borneo and Sumatra. The orangutan has become part of a smuggling racket. In South America, the chinchilla is almost extinct because its fur is in demand. Whales are massacred worldwide for the oil and food they yield. These are only a few of the species under threat. But the problem is receiving worldwide recognition, and some action is being taken. To name a few examples, sewage pollution in the river Thames has been greatly reduced. A ban on trading in some furs has been agreed, and organizations like Friends of the Earth do valuable work in this deserving cause. So important extract for modern era or modern time or this time, because we are gradually destroying the world, and in future the world is really being destroyed for our greed and thoughtlessness in all over the world. Let's do our work. We know there are some questions and we have to answer this. First question: give in your own words two reasons why some species of wild animal may become extinct. So this answer is not here. You have to make it by yourselves. I am writing it by myself. You can see it, but try to write the answer by yourself. In this place I can write the answer. So I can write here first one: some species of wild animal may become extinct because stream and rivers have become polluted, and because pesticides intended for killing insects that are pests also destroy many that are not. Okay, so next one, two number we can see here in this place it is written, how do factories contribute to the problem? We are getting it See here, in this place, industry has grown enormously and it has become common practice for factories to dispose of waste matter in streams and rivers, causing great loss of river life. So from this place we can write the answer. Here we can write the answer, 2-number answer, that is factories contribute contribute to the problem if they discharge waste into streams and rivers and so pollute the river, Next one, 3-number. 3-number C, here it is written, what is the meaning of pesticide? Here this answers or this word's meaning is not written directly, but after reading the extract we get a pesticide is a substance designed to kill harmful insects. So we can write this answer. This place we can write the answer, 3-number answer. A pesticide is a substance designed to kill harmful insects. Next one, phone number. See what is written here. Phone number. In this place, what effect has the increase in the human population had upon wildlife? So let's see. In this place, see, modern agricultural methods include the use of pesticides which effectively control insect classified pests but which also destroy many that are not. An increase in population has meant more building and with it the destruction of much of the countryside that provides habitat for wild animals to satisfy man's selfish. So after reading this we can write the answer of that question. We can write the answer in this place, that is the increase in population has resulted in an increase in building and many acres of countryside have been lost to wildlife. After that, 5-number question, here it is written, why is the polar bear in North America under threat? In this place it's written, to satisfy man's selfish desires, the polar bear in North America is under threat, hunted by sportsmen. So after reading this we can write the answer of this question. Here we can write the answer in this place, 5-number. Here we can write the polar bear in North America is under threat because it is hunted by sportsmen. Which countries have problems with smuggling? Here it is written in this place. Hunted by sportsmen in Borneo and Sumatra, the orangutan has become part of smuggling racket. So which place? Borneo and Sumatra. 6th number we can write here. Borneo and Sumatra have smuggling problem. Borneo and Sumatra have smuggling problems. 7 number, which animal is hunted for its fur? This is so easy. In here it is written. See, South America. In South America, the chinchilla is almost extinct because its fur is in demand. So we can write 7 number. Here we can write the chinchilla is hunted for its fur. 8 number, why are whales hunted in such large numbers? Here in this place it's written, see, whales are massacred worldwide for the oil and food they yield. So we can write the answer in this place. 8 number, whales are hunted for the oil and food they yield. 9 number, what is being done to help preserve our river life? From this place we can write the 9 number answer. Here it is written, to name a few examples, sewage pollution in the river Thames has been greatly reduced, a ban on trading in some furs has been agreed, and organizations like Friends of the Earth do valuable work in this deserving cause. So you can write from this place the answer, that is sewage pollution has been greatly reduced. Why? Is being done to help preserve our river life. 10 number, name one other way in which wildlife is currently helped. What can be? We can write 10 number here in this place. From this place we can write, a ban on trading in some furs has been agreed, and organizations like Friends of the Earth do valuable work in this deserving cause. So a ban on trading in some furs has been agreed. Organization like, you can write also, organizations like Friends of the Earth have been formed and do valuable work. From this place you can write. Okay, so last on 11 number C, provide a subtitle for each paragraph that will sum up what each is about. So what can we write the subtitle? So here in this place we can write subtitle, paragraph 1 subtitle. What can we write? We can write 1 number, this subtitle can be a worldwide problem. Here we can write a worldwide problem. For 2 number paragraph, the subtitle can be the hazards to wildlife. And for 3 number, here we can write, that is what is being done to help. So here up to this, today we have done page number 18 and we have done a comprehension. Comprehension's name is wildlife in danger. So valuable comprehension for today's life or today's world, because we are gradually destroying our world day by day. We are not thinking about our future generation, but this is the time to think, and from your age this is the perfect time to think about our world. Otherwise one day the civilization of human being must decay or destroy. So next day we will do page number 19. There we will find fun with words. Bye for today.